An exponential organization, ExO, has transformed the business world. Catapulted by two key events in the tech industry that led to the birth of the ExO, the launch of the Apple iPhone in 2007 and Amazon Web Services, AWS, in 2006. These events drastically reduced the cost of starting a new business, leading to a surge in new organizational forms. So how does an ExO differ from traditional organizations? The original definition of an ExO, published in 2014, described it as an organization whose impact is at least 10 times larger than its peers due to the use of new organizational techniques and accelerating technologies. However, the definition has been updated to reflect the fact that multiple companies can operate as ExOs and that the fundamental economic driver is the ability to radically drop the marginal cost of supply. As a reminder, ExOs achieve their impact by digitizing, dematerializing, democratizing, and demonetizing their products and services. This enables a massive drop in the marginal cost of supply, which in turn leads to a 10x improvement over non-ExO peers. ExOs are purpose-driven, agile, and scalable organizations that leverage accelerating technologies to deliver disproportionately positive outcomes. Exponential organizations, ExOs, are a new type of organization that leverages new technologies, business models, and organizational techniques to achieve extraordinary levels of growth and impact. These organizations are characterized by their ability to scale at an unprecedented pace, while maintaining an agile and adaptable structure that allows them to quickly respond to changing market conditions. The key to the success of ExOs lies in their ability to harness the power of technology and innovation to drive growth and create value. They do this by leveraging 5 key outward-facing attributes, which are encapsulated by the acronym SCALE. Staff on demand, ExOs are able to quickly and easily scale their operations by leveraging external workers on an as-needed basis, rather than hiring internal employees. This allows them to rapidly increase capacity and reduce costs as needed, while maintaining a lean and agile organizational structure. Community and crowd, ExOs are able to tap into the collective intelligence and creativity of like-minded communities and crowds, who can contribute to everything from idea generation to product design and testing. This not only helps to drive innovation, but also provides valuable validation and feedback for new products and services. Algorithms and AI, ExOs are able to leverage advanced machine learning and artificial intelligence technologies to gain new insights and drive growth. This allows them to quickly analyze vast amounts of data and identify trends and patterns that might be invisible to traditional organizations. Leveraged assets, ExOs are able to access, share, rent, or outsource assets to remain nimble and reduce capital expenditures. This allows them to maintain a lean and agile structure, while still having access to the resources they need to grow and scale. Engagement, ExOs are able to leverage outside interest through gamification, digital reputation systems, incentive programs, and crypto economics to create network effects and positive feedback loops. This helps to drive engagement, loyalty, and retention among customers, employees, and other stakeholders. In addition to these outward-facing attributes, ExOs also exhibit 5 internally facing attributes, which are encapsulated by the acronym IDEAs. Interfaces, ExOs are able to interact with and automate the scale attributes in a way that allows them to do the right work at the right time. This helps to ensure that resources are allocated efficiently and effectively. Dashboards, ExOs use real-time information and essential company and employee metrics based on OKRs to help everyone in the organization stay on track and make data-driven decisions. This allows them to quickly identify areas that need improvement and make changes as needed. Experimentation, ExOs are able to introduce lean startup methodology in all departments of the organization, with new ideas and processes, culturally enabling rapid, validated learning. This allows them to quickly test new ideas and iterate on existing processes to continuously improve and optimize their operations. Autonomy, ExOs operate with a flat organizational structure that allows individual employees or multidisciplinary teams to operate independently and effectively. This empowers employees to take ownership of their work and drive innovation from the ground up. Social technologies, ExOs leverage peer-to-peer collaborative tools to facilitate transparent, real-time conversations across the organization. This helps to break down silos and encourage cross-functional collaboration, which is essential for driving innovation and growth. Beyond these key attributes, which we cover in detail in later modules, ExOs also exhibit certain unique characteristics that set them apart from traditional organizations. Environment. ExOs are committed to being good stewards of the environment and to contributing positively to the planet's health and the population's well-being. This means that they take steps to reduce negative environmental impacts, such as CO2 emissions and plastic waste, while also creating positive impacts through their products and services. Sustainable Development Goals. ExOs establish challenging but realizable goals to guide their development and keep them on track toward achieving their massive transformative purpose. These goals are often aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, which aim to address global challenges such as poverty, inequality, and climate change. Ethics. ExOs develop and adhere to a globally valid code of ethical conduct that guides all of their operations. This code is ratified unanimously by all stakeholders and is designed to ensure that the organization acts in a responsible and ethical manner throughout its lifespan. People. ExOs prioritize employee and customer satisfaction, loyalty, and retention. They create a rewarding work environment that fosters a sense of shared purpose and career development for employees. In turn, this leads to greater customer satisfaction and loyalty, as customers are drawn to organizations that treat their employees well. Productivity. ExO employees are able to achieve levels of productivity that are orders of magnitude higher than those of their linear competitors. This is due to the multiplier effect of technology, which allows employees to achieve more with fewer resources. Near-zero marginal costs. ExOs are able to drive down the cost of manufacturing, marketing, and selling their products and services to near-zero levels. This is due to a combination of factors, including new technologies, innovative organizational models, social networks, and crowdsourcing. Income. ExOs are able to achieve fast and consistent growth in both revenues and profits due to their ability to leverage community and leveraged assets to scale their operations rapidly. Intangible assets. ExOs are able to create measurable improvements in social, environmental, and societal capital through their rapid growth in intellectual, rather than physical, capital. This intellectual capital includes knowledge, expertise, and networks that can be leveraged to create new products and services, solve complex problems, and drive innovation. In summary, exponential organizations are defined by their massive transformative purpose, which sets a long-term goal for the organization that is both sweeping and profound. They also exhibit a set of 10 key attributes that power their growth and success, including staff on demand, community and crowd, algorithms and AI, leveraged assets, and engagement. Additionally, they exhibit a set of unique characteristics that set them apart from traditional organizations, including a commitment to the environment, adherence to a code of ethical conduct, prioritization of people and productivity, near-zero marginal costs, and the creation of intangible assets. Together, these attributes and characteristics allow exponential organizations to achieve rapid growth, consistently high levels of revenue and profit, and measurable improvements in social, environmental, and societal capital. The performance of ExOs has been impressive. In 2014, the top 100 ExOs globally were scored based on their usage of the ExO model. The top 10 ExOs saw an average increase in market capitalization of 6.4x over 8 years or 640%, outperforming the S&P company's average growth of 1.4x over the same time period. This demonstrates that the top 10 ExOs outperformed the S&P by about 4 times and is consistent with the top 10 most ExO-friendly companies of the Fortune 100. The conclusion of this module highlights that ExOs are rare organizations that have reinvented traditional organizational structures to create organizations of distributed intelligence and power. These companies have been located all around the world and across multiple industries, and despite not aiming for performance, they outperform the competition every time. The potential to learn from ExO theory and implement its tools is open to every reader, regardless of the size or age of their enterprise. For those interested in learning more about ExOs, we suggest scheduling a call with our team and applying for our initial consultancy service.